Hi, it's Colin, your personal GVIP guide. I'm here to teach you how GVIP can empower you to develop your project with better intelligence and on a global stage. The key to doing this is making sure your profile is as complete as possible. As you can see on this profile, so much detailed information is included, both quantitative and qualitative. This is important because our proprietary machine learning algorithms will be able to use your keywords to connect you with the right contractors, investors, technology, and other project developers with similar experiences and lessons learned. Let's take a look behind the scenes to see how it got to this point. This project profile is frequently updated by its owner, and it emphasizes the benefits that the project will deliver once it's completed. This allows us to offer you elevated exposure as well as better analytics. Look at the completeness of this profile. Every field is filled in with detailed information, including timeline, budget, and financial structure. Make sure that once you've completed all of this, you don't stop there. Click on the Maps tab. This allows you to give an accurate look at the location of your project. You can use the tools on the side here to draw lines or shapes. Let's also take a look at some other features that will really help take your project to the next level. If you click on the Financial tab on the side here and then go to Fund Sources, you'll see that this project owner has included a long list of where they anticipate or have gotten their funding from. If you look a little bit further down, you can also include participants like companies. This gives you an opportunity to identify the different stakeholders in this project and what their roles are. Also important is the Files section. As you saw before, there's striking photos included on this project profile. This is where you're able to upload the pictures, renderings, maps that will really set your project apart. Down here, you can also see a document that was uploaded that emphasizes 10 reasons why the project should be built. That's exactly what we mean when we say emphasizing the benefits of your project.